Hello everybody from around the world, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the transmission feature from NextGenSprites. And the basic idea behind this feature is to represent the inner life of your sprite with another texture. And this texture needs to have the same shape as the main sprite, and it should be also black and white so that it blends perfectly fine. And yeah, the idea again is to represent the inner life, and this works by shining the sprite from the back side. So in this case, to lit a sprite, usually we need to position it in the front, and with the Unity's 2D system, it needs to be actually on the negative, on the C-axis. So as you can see, I can light the sprite if I change the lit system to multi-lit. And now as you can see, if I move away the point light, it becomes dark or lit. Let me ramp down the range to 4. Thank you very much. Now this is now more interesting. So it's now in the front, and now let's say I want to shine it from behind so that I can see what's in the inside, because I'm pretending that the material of this is something kind of thin, so I can see the inside. So now what I will do is now put it on the positive side, and as you can see, our sprite is now dark again because there's no light coming from the front. Now if I go here into the material settings, I enable the transmission tab, and now I can see again the sprite because I'm allowing the sprite to be lit from the back side. Now that's not all. I can now add another texture here, which will then allow us to see kind of the inner. So let's see, text translucent. Now as you can see, we have this kind of interesting how should I say, the veins, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing this correctly, of this leaf from the plant, so that it looks like some kind of leaf, this sprite here. And if I move away the point light, then it disappears. And I can also ramp up the density, which means if I go the value, if I put it above, then we can't see it again, because now we need to increase the intensity of our point light. Now if it's at 1, we will never see it, but if I put it around here 0.8, then we can see again the texture. And if I put the density to 0, then it becomes more prominent. And if I disable transmission, then everything is dark again. And if I move the point light to the front, so -2, then it disappears, and now it's only lit from the front. So yeah, this is basically the idea behind the transmission feature in NextGenSprites. And I highly recommend that if you make transmission texture, basically you should make it black and white, and then give it exactly the same shape as the main sprite. Otherwise you will get some distortion and stretches. So yeah, that's something to need to be aware of. And you can see here we have the main sprite, here we have the transmission sprite, and they look basically the same, or at least have the same shape. And this is all you need to take care of. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful. And if you have any questions, let me know, and see you soon. Bye bye.